Hello everyone, my name is Karthik Gupta and I am going to discuss some of the theorems from Circles class 9 chapter. Alright, let us take up this theorem. The theorem states perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord. Let's try to understand this theorem and then we will prove it. So if I have a circle and there is a chord, let's say AB. The circle is with center O, and if I draw a perpendicular from the center to a chord, let's say that OM is the perpendicular, then it will bisect the chord. That means AM will be equal to MB. So the theorem states that if OM is perpendicular to AB, then AM will be equal to MB. So in a circle, if a perpendicular is drawn from the center to a chord, then it bisects the chord. Now let us try to prove this theorem. Now in this theorem we are given that the circle with center O and OM is perpendicular to the chord AB, and we need to prove that AM is equals to MB, means that OM bisects AB. Let's see how we can prove that. Let us first join OA and let us join OB. I'll write down join OA and O. Now let us consider these two triangles, triangles OAM and triangle OBM. So in triangle OAM and triangle OBM, we have OA equals to OB because it's the radius of the circle. So OA is equals to OB, which is the radius of the circle. Angle OMA is equals to angle OMB, each equal to 90 degree. Angle OMA equals to angle OMB equal to 90 degree. This is already given to us because OM is perpendicular to AB. And we have OM is equals to OM, that is common. That is a common side to both these triangles. So we see here OA is equals to OB, angle OMA is equals to angle OMB equal to 90 degree, and OM is equals to OM, that is common. So we have these two triangles, triangles OAM is congruent to triangles OMB by the criteria right angle side hypotenuse, that is RHS. So we can say that triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM by the criteria RHS. Now if these two triangles are congruent, we can simply say that AM is equals to MB by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So I can say AM is equals to MB by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Now let us take up a question based on this theorem. Question states that if a line intersects two concentric circles with center O at A, B, C and D, prove that AB is equals to CD. So these are the two concentric circles with center O and we need to prove that AB is equals to CD. Now in this particular question there is a construction. Let us draw a perpendicular from the center to the given chord. So let's say we draw OP perpendicular to AD. Now we can simply state that BP is equals to PC because perpendicular drawn from center to a chord bisects the chord. The thing that we just learned in the previous theorem, perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord. And similarly for the bigger circle, this is for the smaller circle, for the bigger circle chord is AD, and therefore we can say that AP is equals to PD. So we can also say that AP is equals to PD. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2 with the same reason. Now, if I subtract these two equations, let us subtract 2 and 1. I'll get the result. AP minus BP equals to PD minus PC. So AP minus BP from the figure is AB and PD minus PC is equals to CD. So by this we can easily prove that AB is equals to CD. I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Thank you very much.